unexpected. So having this opportunity or having this responsibility, this sash across my heart is really a privilege and an honor. And I'm very grateful to Tito Arnold, the ALV Pageant Circle, for giving me this opportunity. And you know, everyone, I will really try my best to work hard for this journey because I know pageantry is kind of like an Olympic game for the Filipinos. So I don't wanna, disappoint you guys because a true Filipina doesn't back down for challenges. You know, we are very strong and we're very perseverance once we're given for the challenge.
Follow-up question.
Yes, Tito.
What aspect of Filipino tradition and culture would you like to showcase when you get there in Bangkok to compete for Miss Global International?
Okay. I was taught by my grandmother that being true to yourself is something that you can offer to the table. And with my recent journey in pageantry, the only thing that I can boast to people is that I showed my true self. And I believe all the people love that. And I can't wait to show it to the international stage, especially in Miss Global.
Well said. Congratulations again.
Thank you, Tito Nolly. Nice to see you here.
Hi, JB.
Hello, Tito Norman.
Puro nga tito. Mamaya lolo rin natawa. Okay. JB, what does the word destiny and the phrase meant to be mean to you personally?
Destiny and meant to be is something meant to be those words are, very unexpected because I really didn't expect that I'll be crowned as the Miss Global. But one thing that pageantry taught me is to always be prepared because opportunities can come unexpectedly. So here I am standing in front of you, preparing to be the best representation of the Philippines in Miss Global.
They say that be careful what you wish for, but I always wish that for you.
I know, Tito Norman. You've been my friend since 2018 when I was still 18 years old. So I'm very happy that up until today you're here with me supporting me in my journey in the international stage for Miss Global.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And see you in Bangkok.
See you in Thailand.
Next.
I love it. Tito Norman is kicking into his moderator mode today. Next.
It comes naturally.
Good afternoon, JP.
Hello, nice to see you.
Yes, congratulations once again.
Thank
So,
you.
Happy for you. So, as a global Filipino queen who is hailed from, as a global Filipino queen who is hailed from Davao, and your hometown, especially Mindanao, is experiencing seismic calamities as of the moment. So, what's your message of empowerment to uplift your fellow Mindanaoans right now?
You know, it really saddens me that my family's experienced the recent earthquake in Mindanao. And my friends my friends' houses, my family's business is also affected by it. And my message to those people, especially all the people in Mindanao, is that we have to prepare in those kind of natural calamities because we can't stop it, but what we can do is to be prepared. And I am working with the organization, the ALV Pageant Circle. If we can if we can extend our help for those people who are victim for the earthquake. And I believe up until now they still experience some short earthquakes there, and I hope they will be they will be okay and their families are okay. Thank you.
Hi, JB. Ang ganda
Hello.
from Philippines. Congratulations.
Thank you.
JD, what was the first thing that came to mind when you knew that there's going to be an opportunity for you to represent the Philippines in Miss Global?
Honestly, it still feels a little surreal. Aside from I feel very lucky, I feel also very excited because I'll be competing in one of my favorite country in the world, Thailand. But you know what truly touched me is that the people online, especially the pageant medias, are vouching for me to be their representative for Miss Global. And my main focus right now and what I should work on is my communication skills and to strengthen my beloved advocacy, which is Panggap Project, and to learn more about the global issues. And also to work on myself to be the best representative of the Philippines in Miss Global. Thank you.
Hi, JB.
Hello.
Hello, Tristan from PTP and
Hello.
the Philippines Pageantry. First, congratulations.
Thank you po.
I have a list of questions for each of our panelists and of course our new three. But before I ask our guest of honors, I would like to ask you first, what made you decide to accept the honor and the challenge of becoming Miss Global Philippines 2026?
I know it's a huge role for me to step in this opportunity. But those people who believed in me and trust me with my capabilities as a beauty queen and as an advocate really pushed me to accept the challenge. And I'm really grateful with Tito Arnold because Tito Arnold and the organization of the ALB Pageant Circle, that they saw this, qualities of mine, that they think that I can bring home the Miss Global crown. And I believe my authenticity and my goal-driven, attitude also pushed me to accept the challenge because a true Filipino doesn't back down. She accepts the challenge with all of her heart.
Very well said. I don't think you need more training when it comes to your communication skills.
Oh, I have to train.
Yeah, because this is a global stage and it's a higher level.
Yeah.
So, thank you for that.
Thank you so much.
My question is for our reigning Miss Global from Vietnam, Xin Chao. I believe not most of us know that your trainers in Pasarela are Filipinos. And I'm proud to say that they sort of came from TPP, our group. So, yes, so Xin Chao and welcome. It's like it's like a homecoming for you as well because of the Filipinos that have trained you and helped you clinch the first global crown for their group and also for you. So what is your message to the Filipino fans and your Filipino supporters and your advice to JB?
Mic test.
Thank you so much for the question. First of all, I have to share that I have so many Filipino friends. And even in Vietnam, my daughters at the school, the teachers is Filipinos. So to me, Filipinos is like something in my heart already. And I have the honor to have my coaches as, like my mentor for my whole competition. And they are from Philippines. And they help me with all of their hearts. They like every day we call from the morning to nighttime when I feel stressed, when I feel hungry, when I feel sad or any doubt, I call them anytime. And they support me all the way. That Jethro and Red. Yes. So to me, for my journey, without their help, without their heart training, I will not be here today. So for that, I thank you for the question and I take this chance to say thank you to them too. They are the bridge for my success. Thank you for that. And to be here today to witness all the energy and the love of the fan in Philippines for beauty pageant in general and also Miss Global. I feel really warm and I feel like I'm so excited for you to be in the Miss Global 2026 to experience all the good moments that me and Sina have been through. And guys, Sina is my roommate. We was roommates, and you know she's the best roommate ever. She's so understanding. She's like give me my time. She's never we like matching her, and I'm so happy. I'm grateful to have you as roommates. And now I'm here today in your beloved country and in Manila to meet in the Filipino fans. And I thank you so much. I don't know how many times I want to say thank you to you guys today, but thank you for your question. And to the Filipino fan, I'm really looking forward to see everyone in Thailand on this October. And we're gonna support not just the Philippines, the Filipino beautiful lady right here, but also all the women around the world. And for that, Aman, salamat. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you. And for my last question, Madam Puy, may we call you Mama Puy?
Yes.
May we call you Mama Puy? My question, first, I would like to remind everyone that your hosting of Miss Universe 2018 is one of the best production and best hosting. I'm saying. And that put your pageant organization on the global map when it comes to high quality and good productions. Now my question is, how are you going to make Miss Global 2026 grander and will surpass all the stars in the universe?
You know, did you remember for the last year, for the Miss Global competition? I'm so proud of for that night. And for this year, 2026, I'm trying my best to do everything more and more. I respect all girls. They come from a lot of countries around the world, around the global. So difficult to prepare themselves to do everything. Prepare themselves, prepare mindset, prepare Q&A, prepare stories, and prepare brave heart of them to see together. Look, for this year, my team and I will prepare everything the best